Hi, and welcome back to LiveBinders. Today we're going to demonstrate how to add an Office 365 PowerPoint to your digital binder using an Embed Code. First, open your PowerPoint within the Office 365 application and click on Share in the upper right. And then select Anyone with Link Can Edit. And then this option will allow me to either disable viewers from editing the document or not, but I think I'll leave it on for now. And then you hit Apply. Now click on File, Share, and Embed. And then click on Generate. And here you can set the size and copy the embed code. And then once you have that copied, you can go back to your digital binder and open it up in edit mode. And then once you've done that, you're going to want to create and title a new tab. After you've titled your tab, you can add content by clicking on the plus button on the top left over here. And then select Embed and paste the embed code you previously copied in the box below. And then I'm going to set the height and width values to 100%. And these values will help keep the size flexible for viewing. Okay. And when you're ready, you can click on Insert. You may need to give it a moment to load in. Once added, you can add instructions or a title to the title box at the top. Okay, and now I'm going to hit Save. And if you want to preview it just to make sure everything is fine, you go on View, Play, and it'll show you your binder as it is to other viewers. And there it is. So that's how you add an Office 365 PowerPoint to your digital binder using an embed code.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up below. For more tips and tricks to use on your LiveBinder, subscribe to our channel or visit us at livebinders.com. Thank you.